In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share or send a Microsoft form, survey, or quiz link. First, make sure you've already created the form, survey, or quiz you want to send out. You can do this in Microsoft Forms, either from your browser or through the Forms app inside Microsoft 365. Once your form is ready, open it so you're looking at the editing screen where you can see your questions. At the top of the page, you'll see several tabs like Questions, Responses, and usually one called Collect Responses or Share, depending on your version. What you're looking for is the Share area, which is where Microsoft lets you generate links and other ways to send your form. Click on Share. You'll now see a section that controls who can respond to your form. This is important because it determines who is allowed to open the link and submit answers. You might see options like Anyone can respond, or Only people in my organization can respond. If you want to send this form to people outside your organization, such as clients, parents, or the general public, make sure Anyone can respond is selected. If you only want people in your school or company to answer, choose the option that restricts it to your organization. Take a moment to set this correctly before copying the link. Just below that, you'll see different icons for how you can share the form. The first option is usually a link icon. This creates a unique web address that takes people directly to your form. Click where it shows the link. If you like, you can use the shorten URL option, which makes the link smaller and easier to paste into emails, chats, or documents. When you're ready, click Copy. The link is now saved to your clipboard, and you can paste it wherever you want. In an email, a chat message, a learning management system, or on a website. Next, you may also see options to share by QR code, by embedding, or by email. The QR code option is great if your participants will be using phones or tablets. When you choose this, Microsoft Forms shows a QR image that people can scan to open the form. You can download that image and add it to slides, posters, or handouts. The embed option is useful if you want to place the form directly inside a web page. Forms will give you some HTML code that you can paste into your site editor so visitors can fill it out without leaving the page. Finally, there is an email option that opens your email client with the form link already included in the message. You can add your recipients, customize the text, and then send it out. Once you've copied or shared the method you prefer, your form is ready to collect responses. That's all you need to know to share or send a Microsoft form, survey, or quiz link.